What are we staring at today? Let me take a real quick sip. Ooh. I'm going to zoom out real quick. All right. This is a 10-gallon tank that I leave indoors throughout the year. It's running pretty much. And all I have right here, this is basically my indoor setup. Let me zoom in. I have a sponge filter. You see the bubbles, but as you could see, or can you see, it's really like, that's the water flow. It's just dripping, right? That's all it is. And for me, for Medaka, they're from the rice field, so all they experience, the turbulence that they experience naturally in nature is from the wind. And especially when I have these little guys in here, these are the little guys that are brought back in because they weren't up to the 2/3 of an inch. They weren't going to survive the winter, so I just brought them back in. And as long as the surface is agitated, right, there's enough movement on the surface, I think, where you're not going to see any type of a film developing, oil developing, right? There's movement. So I try to just use this sponge filter where all the bio will form. And on the top, it's just dripping, right? That's enough to create water movement on the surface of this 10-gallon aquarium indoors.